out here in nature. Yeah, I love the country. This is one of the most peaceful places you can go. When you get away from those big city lights and you get out here and just relax. I just saw a snake not too long ago going across the water. But yeah, I'm out here visiting this park here down in the country. Um, I think this is gonna be a channel where I'm just going to be doing some adventure stuff. Yeah, just walking. I go stream there, and yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think. Go over there. Stream go down there. Get all these trees and wow, country.